Well, for this is the NASDAQ 100. Today is the 10th. If there's one market surprised me, it is a NASDAQ, and this has climbed so fast that it is difficult to trade this particular market as we see it. The only recommendation is to wait for a pullback because it is tough to trade this market. Where do you put your stop? Now look at the 1 hour. If you look at 1 hour, the best way you see it pull back, another pullback, then you will fill the structure. So wait for a structure to be created. See pullback here, pullback, 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 pullback. So another pullback is begin to eat to close this gap. So wait for a pullback and then you can trade that. But be careful. It is so high. So I'm expecting a drastic pullback, a drastic reversal of this market. So be careful today as you trade the NASDAQ. I hope this helps. I'll see you next time.